The trial of former Cuyahoga County Commissioner Jimmy Dimora will start next week. A jury was seated this afternoon at the federal courthouse in Akron.
But today's action in court did not come without some controversy. News Channel 5's Bob Jones joins us. Bob, tell us more about this story.
Well, Leon, this is a case that is expected to be filled with a lot of twists and turns and drama, and we definitely saw that drama already today. After the jury was seated, prosecutors basically asked for Jimmy Dimora to go to jail or to be placed under house arrest even before the jury could hear any of the evidence. Jimmy Dimora walked into federal court in Akron this morning, knowing that by the end of the day he would see the faces of those who will ultimately decide whether the former Cuyahoga County Commissioner is guilty in a massive corruption probe or an innocent man. Dimora's attorney was asked about the demeanor of Judge Sarah Leoy. She has criticized the defense for not filing motions in a timely manner.
We have no comment on the judge's actions. You know, she does what she does and works very hard on this case.
The judge told prospective jurors they would hear evidence and testimony that would include wiretapped conversations, profanity, offensive behavior, and information from people who have struck plea deals. Among other things, Dimora is accused of running his office as a criminal enterprise and accepting bribes. Shortly after 1 o'clock, a jury of 7 men and 5 women was selected. They were told testimony could start as early as Wednesday. After that, things heated up in the courtroom when the prosecution accused the defense of leaking highly sensitive government information. The details were not specified, but prosecutors said Dimora and his co-defendant Michael Gabor should have their bonds revoked and go to jail. Later, prosecutors asked for house arrest. The judge did not do either, but was clearly irritated, saying, "I'm telling you right now, nobody had better misstep." Outside court, Dimora's attorney had this reaction.
You heard everything I heard in court. I don't have anything to say about it other than what we heard in court.
While the man at the center of the corruption probe said nothing.
Are you feeling confident going into trial, Jimmy?
There's no comment.
Feel he'd be vindicated, or?
And again, no comment from Jimmy Dimora. Attorneys from both sides will be back here in federal court in Akron on Monday to discuss several issues. But again, the jury in this case won't be here until Wednesday at the earliest to hear opening statements. Live in Akron, Bob Jones, News Channel 5.